This technique is called talking in tongues. Talking in tongues. This technique is called talking in tongues. If you know 8 languages, you can talk the 9th language, in the 9th language. The instruction says, you should not talk in the language which you know. What are the languages you know? Hindi, Telugu, English. Not even one word of French. Add that also. Any few words in Sanskrit?
Yeah.
Add that also. Few words in Tamil?
Yes.
Add that also. Kannada few words?
Yeah.
Add that which you know, even few words. Urdu. Any other language? Even 1 or 2 words you should add it. Malayalam? Then?
Chinese.
Marathi.
Japanese. 1, 2 words.
Then?
That's it.
That's all. You should talk for half an hour except this 10 language. You should not talk in this 10 language. Then other than this 10 language, anything you talk, you can talk. How? Why? That is the question we immediately raise. See, why means your mind is nothing but the languages which you know. Your mind is nothing but the words which you know. Can you say anything else exists in your mind except these 10 languages? Your mind is nothing but this 10 language. Whatever poison exists in your Manipuraga is nothing but these 10 languages. If you can break that setup, the recorded system, at least for a kshana, you will see that whole thing is cleansed. It's as if like a swimming pool covered by the fungus.
Slime.
Moss.
Yeah, tank covered with fungus. Fungus, you see, just like that, our energy is just covered by the fungus. Fungus means the thoughts. Thoughts are the fungus. Just under the thoughts, energy flow is there. Our being is completely filled with energy. But the thoughts have become such a layer, like a thin layer. You can imagine a tank in the Michigan lake, the lake of Michigan. In the winter, it becomes solid. The upper portion of the lake becomes solid ice. Just like that, your energy, we are just energy pools. But the upper portion is thoughts. If you can break at least for a kshana the thoughts, the inner energy will simply gush like anything. This is the technique to break the continuity of the chattering. Continuously you are chattering. If you can break for a minute or at least reduce the density of that layer, the energy expression will be there. Then naturally the energy will cleanse completely your Manipuraga. This is the purpose why we do this technique. How to do? Have you seen the children shouting? The small kids, after if you feed them and put them on the cradle, they will start shouting. They are just cleaning their Manipuraga. See, children, the kids know all this meditation technique completely and they practice till the age of 7. Only after 7, the so-called bringing up, the so-called social conditioning makes them forget everything. We just teach them something so that they lose connection between the nature. You see, man, human being is the only animal who has lost his connection from the nature. Who has lost his connection with the nature. Yeah, small story. Once a man, he wants to somehow throw his wife out of his house. Wife and the wife's cat. The wife has got a pet animal, it's a cat. He did not like both. But somehow he can't throw the wife. At least he wants to throw out the cat. One day evening he took that cat in his car. After driving 10 miles he left that cat and came back. When he came back, when he was about to open the door, he saw the cat is standing. Next day he took the cat 20 miles away and left it and came back. As soon as he came back and opened the door, in 10 minutes he saw the cat is standing. Third day, he is not able to bear with the cat. He took the cat, went left, right, this way, that way, crisscrossed here, there, and drove more than 40-50 miles. He went to a thick forest. He felt, yes, now it's the right place to leave this cat, this forest. Cat cannot come back. He left the cat. He was just driving back. On the way, he just gave a cell ring to his wife to refer. Oh darling, the cat has come. She said, yes, the cat is already here. It is in the house. Please ask the cat for the way. I have forgotten the way. I have lost my way. Please ask the cat for the way. Tell me, I missed the way. See, that is the way. Actually, except human being, no other animal has lost its touch with the nature. We are the only animal who has lost our touch, our connection with the nature. You see the children, they just shout because the shouting, the making sounds is the technique to clear the Manipura. That is the reason if the children fall on the ground, they don't get hurt. Weight is same. See, for your resistance power, the weight is same. If they fall on the ground, they don't feel hurt. A man has fallen from the second floor and he got his bones fractured. He was just lying down. Somebody came and asked, did the falling hurt you? He told, no, falling is not hurt, only the stopping has hurt. Stopping has hurt, not that. Falling. Just like that, when the children fall, they don't get hurt. Because their Manipura is empty. Their ego is empty. But for us, Manipura is heavy. Manipura only makes us have the fracture or whatever we call the damages. If the Manipura is empty, people don't feel hurt. People don't get hurt. If you understand deeply, you will be able to see the truth of it. You see, the dead body is more heavier than the live body. But the dead body floats in the water. The live man gets drowned. Why? The dead body is more heavier. Because the ego. With ego, you don't have the connection with the nature. When your being is empty, when you don't have the ego, you have the connection with the nature. So the children do practice this technique. But in course of time, the so-called way of bringing up makes us forget this technique. So we forget what is the nature. So now we will do this meditation. We will do this technique. Don't bother about the next person. Don't bother about anything. Now what you are going to do? Tie the ribbon. No. Let me finish the instruction. Then tie the ribbon. You will just put your mind for a minute on Manipura. You see, already our worries and depressions are just bubbling up. Only we are suppressing it. We are putting a big covering on it. If you just remove the covering, they are waiting to come out. They are waiting to erupt out. Only we have covered it nicely and arranged flowers on it, and everything seems to be perfectly alright. And we are sitting on the balcony, managing the whole show, nothing else. Just if you concentrate on the Manipura, you can feel the heaviness and the depression. Anything, any incident which has disturbed your life, anything which you can't pour it out, express it, everything will come up in the memory. Naturally you will see. Those things only will first come up. Just throw them out as a sounds. Any sound. Any sound. Don't bother about how I can create the sound. Any sound. Ah, oh, ka, oo. Any sound. But the words should not be pronounced. No words. If any words come out of your being, just throw that words also out with a sound. You are going to just fight with the sound. You understand? You are just going to fight with the sound. Anything which you have suppressed, which you are not able to express, just express through sound.